What's up everybody, Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's 3-valve Wednesday. I have a super clean 08 GT E-Force Supercharged. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. This baby's gonna lay down over 470 raw horsepower. We're gonna go down, look at the engine compartment and tell you how we got there. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. You know, we do so many 3-valves here at Brenspeed. It always blows my mind when these things come in, how many clean cars are still out there. It's super cool. Doug, come down here and take a look. So we installed the E-Force. It's our 560 package. So you got the 2.3 liter supercharger, a 3.5 pulley. We have the nice Edelbrock air induction system, 41-pound fuel injectors. It comes with a fuel pump upgrade, Kohler spark plugs, SCT tuner, and the proper tune. So that's what we install here. Now, if you don't want to come in for an install, we have these packages available to ship right to your door. We also did a set of our Detroit rocker Lopi idle camshafts. One mod this car already had when it came in was a set of JBA shorty headers. So it has the shorty headers on it. We did some cooling mods, 160 thermostat, larger aluminum radiator, the 4 performance fan. It's a high flow fan, that's awesome. I will put links to all these parts I'm rattling off in the description so you can open it up, read a lot more about it. But we didn't stop there. McLeod RST twin disc clutch, that's my favorite clutch, and a Ford Performance aluminum drive shaft in the back. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before I look at these numbers, a couple more things. This is a Minnesota car, so we're running 91 octane, not the 93 we typically run. And you can email quote at brenspeed.com, say, what's this cost to get built? Or check that description, click on the link. We can ship all these parts right to your door. DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5, manual transmission car, 475 raw horsepower, peaking at 6,400 RPM. Love the torque, 448 torque, peaking at 4,800 RPM. Nice, smooth graph. You gotta love it. So 08 GT, manual transmission, sweet car. Next step on a car like this, be a set of long tube headers, but it already had the shorties, so they must not want long tubes. No big deal. That's kind of like the next step to try to get up to that 500 raw horsepower mark. Hey, you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, notify, stay up to date. Have a good one.